is up? We're back with a Safe and Sane. It's a fountain from Shogun Fireworks called Blew Me Away. Definitely got some clay bottom to that, or it's going to be a really good fountain. There's a top. Caution may reignite, soak after use. Blew Me Away, so I'm guessing there's going to be some blue in it. So let's see what this says for performance. Here we go. For blues lovers, this fountain is rich with all kinds of crackle effects, loads of little blue stars. All right, so let's go check out Shogun Blew Me Away. Oh, this Blew Me Away. What's your thoughts on this one?
Good.
Yeah, you hope so? Okay. Hopefully it is some blue in it.
Yeah. I hope it. Hopefully it says blue in it.
Are you hoping?
Whoa, whoa.
Oh.
Ooh.
So far, no blue. Oh, there's a little bit of a blue.
I hope it's going to get firecrackers.
You hope for firecrackers? Oh, there's the blue. Look at that blue on the bottom.
Ooh, yeah.
I'm going to go closer. Stay here.
Back in.